Meccha Chameleon's sound not working comes down to Windows routing, not the game. So skip the reinstall and head straight down to the volume mixer. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and open volume mixer. With the game running, find the Meccha Chameleon slider, raise it, and make sure it isn't muted. A single muted app silences just this game. Check the output device by clicking the drop-down, and make sure it matches your headphones or speaker. Once you do that, at the top, hit the word sound, and set those same headphone or speakers as your default device. Still silent? In your Steam library, right-click Meccha Chameleon, open Properties, then Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. That pass runs a few minutes and replaces any missing audio files. Let it finish before you launch, restart Steam afterward to pull the latest patch. If nothing's made a sound yet, reinstall your audio driver from your motherboard or sound card maker's site. It needs a reboot, so expect audio to drop until the restart finishes. Once you do that, game audio is back in Meccha Chameleon. One thing to know, if it's only voice garbling, if it's only voice chat issues, players sounding like they're spamming mute, that's a known game bug, not your setup. If this helps, let me know in the comments below.